What up? So I'm back with another video, obviously, because that's what you're watching. And today's topic is how to be a catfish. How to go from this to something a little bit more bearable is the word I'm gonna go for. My hair, I went out, so my hair was up all day and then I went outside and basically the wind like restyled my hair and I've lost my scrunchie. I'm gonna have to use these then. I can't find my scrunchie, so I'm gonna have to look like a 9-year-old girl. Right. I look like I look like Scar. Literally look like Scar. That's disgusting. I say we're gonna catfish, but whenever I put makeup on, I'm practically catfishing people. So I guess this is just another video of me putting makeup on. Let's go. Oh, I haven't even wet my beauty blender. That means I have to get back up. Life is hard. So I have a new beauty blender. Well, it's not a beauty blender, it's a beauty sponge. It's by Morphe. It's a lot more firmer and I love this bit to put here. So that's the tea.
Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
I don't do brows on camera because my brows are gross. They're thick, they're disgusting. And it's my channel, so I get to do what I want. So BRB. They're disgusting. I know. They're gross, they're uneven. I can't do brows. Like, I can't change. I have toothpaste on my top. I had a job interview today. What am I doing? I had a job interview today. And basically, it was interesting to say the least. Obviously, I turned up early because I'm amazing. But basically during my interview, the interview was at a nursery. And within the space of 10 minutes, I got invited to an imaginary tea party, which, I'm not gonna lie, was lit. My girl Phoebe poured some hot tea, and then I was shot with an imaginary gun. Like, I don't know who I bring this up with. I don't know if I bring this up with like health and safety at work, or do I bring this up with the police? So I washed my brushes yesterday because I had nothing to do, and some of them still aren't dry. So love that. I don't know what I thought that would do. Also, this interview, I was there for 2.5 hours. Like, the longest interview I've had in my life. And I was really hungry. And then like the nursery kids got lunch. Oh my god, it was so buff. They had Toad in the Hole and... Did you just see that? They had like Toad in the Hole and ice cream. And the ladies were like, do you want some? And I was like, no. But on the inside I was like, good. Now I look nice and flaky. That's what everyone wants. I look really yellow. I actually got new blush. Oh, that was something. So I've done a Morphe haul, which will be uploaded before this video, if that makes sense. I literally have the biggest forehead that I don't think no amount of bronzer would make it look small. Now it looks like I rolled around in dirt. Now I can try the new blushes. I'm going to use this brush. 2 BH Cosmetics. I don't know if this is for blush, but I'm going to use it for blush because... This is officially the first ever Morphe product that I've ever used. I also got primer for my eyelids, which I never use, so actually lit. Hey, now my eye looks nice and crusty. Not everyone knows I have dry skin. Now, as usual, like I always do in all my videos, I kind of want to experiment and do like a rainbow with like a cut crease, but I don't think I'm going to do that because I got a new palette, 35B colour palette. Woohoo! If it comes, oh wow! Excitement! Everyone be excited for me. This is my first ever Morphe palette. Wow! Wow, that's actually stunning. And I'm already going to say it, I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate when things are like this. Like, this is probably going to be a disaster because I don't know what I'm doing, but... So this is interesting, to say the least. So let's try and cut the crease and see if we can save this one way or another. So now I'm going to try and do liquid line art. I don't really do liquid line art, but I fucked it up anyway, so why not, let's just have some fun. So, I've just had the biggest tantrum because what I wanted to do wasn't working out, so I wasted 15 minutes doing nothing. So, take 2. I'm not doing a rainbow because it wasn't, so I'm gonna do something else. Okay. I look like a colourful raccoon, literally. I look gross. I don't know how I feel about this lip colour. I don't know how I feel about my entire face. But my lighting's gone really bad in my room. This is what we've ended up with. So you'll have to do. I need help. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this, depending on how I can edit it. But yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.